So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. In this video, I will share you latest important updates about AI Dogecoin, its price prediction, and its major exchange listings. There can we see AI Dogecoin on major exchanges in this year or not? Can this coin has potential to kill three zeros here and can give us 1000x profit here or not? Video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just for the computer. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Friend, first of all, AI Dogecoin has currently nine zeros in its price. Okay, 0.9 times 0.51 current price. Okay, and current market cap is below $100 million. Okay, so still we can say this is a low cap meme coin because market cap is below $100 million, and this meme coin is very potential meme coin and is still not listed on any tier 1 exchange. So we can say that still its market cap is on our buying range here, $96 million market cap. Okay, so it is possible that we can see its market cap up to $10 billion. Okay, by the end of this mega bullion. Okay, from $96 million to maybe $10 billion by the end of this mega bullion. And then definitely this meme coin is the next 100x potential meme coin for us. Last 24-hour trading volume is awesome. Here you can see $7.3 million trading volume, so this is amazing. Okay, and here you can see its total max supply, and right now I think within a year its 10% supply is burned. Okay, its 10% supply is burned, and its burnings are continue and will be continue in future. So that's good that its total supply will be reduced time to time. And friend, this meme coin is working on Arbitrum blockchain. Okay, so that's another unique thing for this meme coin. Okay, because right now in crypto market there are big trend for this Solana meme coin. Okay, for the best chain meme coin, for Ethereum chain meme coin. But this meme coin is working on Arbitrum blockchain, so that's amazing. Here you can see 272,000 holders. So this is amazing. Number of holders are really amazing, and we are 54% down than its all-time high. The was in year ago, and we are nearly 1000% up than its all-time low. That was just 9 months ago. Still, this meme coin is not listed on any tier one exchange. Okay, here you can see just listed in BingX, Geo.io, MEXE, Digifinex. Okay, Bitget has listed, Albank has listed, XTX has listed. So there are exchanges where this meme coin is listed, but maybe we can see it's listing in major exchanges in this year. Okay, still not listed in Bybit, KuCoin. So these two exchanges I think can list this meme coin in coming months. Okay, coming 2 to 3 months, we can see it's listing on KuCoin exchange or maybe in Bybit exchange. After there, maybe some other major exchanges can list this meme coin. So its burning mechanism is awesome and it's still not listed on major exchanges. So that's another good thing for this meme coin. Then when it will be listed in major exchanges, then definitely its price will be skyrocket here. Okay, number of folders are really amazing. Arbitrum chain, working in Arbitrum chain. So this is another amazing thing about this meme coin. And friends, for more detail, you can also check out their website. Website looking very awesome. And here you can see there's 8% tax will be burned. Here you can see 8% tax will be burned. So this is good in each transaction. Okay, so whenever anyone will buy or sell this meme coin, 8% of the tax will be burned. So this is good. That is supply will be reduced here time to time. So this is awesome. And right now is 10% supply or burnt here. Okay, 10% supply is burned. So that's awesome. Okay, and in future burning will be continue here, so it means it's time to time circulation supply is reducing. Okay, and then definitely we can see is massive hype in coming days here. And first, my price prediction about AI Dogecoin by the end of this mega bull run, okay, means in 2025 we can see AI Dogecoin with just 6 zeros. Okay, AI Dogecoin has still potential to kill 3 zeros here. Okay, friends, its market cap that is just $96 million can go up to $10 billion by the end of this mega balloon or maybe more. Okay, because right now, as you know, meme coins are the hottest topic in crypto market. Okay, so it's my personal price prediction about AI Dogecoin. It can be happen or not. So if you want to invest in this coin, make sure to do your own research and then invest in this coin. But I think we can see its market cap up to $10 billion. Still, this meme coin has potential to kill three zeros from its current price.